Hi guys, welcome to my trades today, and today we are looking at oil. So as we can see, oil opened bullishly from Monday going into Tuesday, and we had a retracement yesterday here back to our ST1 line. Well, I'll explain these indicators later on, but in the meantime, we are mainly focused on going with the trend. Wherever the trend is going, we want to jump in there, get a suitable entry, and then just ride it along. Get 50, get 100 pips, move your stop loss to 50, and then whatever the market does from then onwards, you know you've booked a 50 pip profit from there, right? So we have oil on Monday opening at $37, and then it went all the way to $40. That was a good 300 pips yesterday on Monday, sorry, on oil. And then yesterday it started retracing back. But then what happened is it failed to cross over the moving averages, right? The long-term moving averages, so symbolizing that, okay, that was just a retracement back, and it potentially still has some energy to go up. So ideally I was looking for a perfect entry where I can jump in, which won't be too much. So this was a nice entry as well, but then the market gave another indication again. It gave one long candle and then back in again. So this was my entry here going up. So I had entered here as well at 39.50, and then it went all the way up to $40.50 there on, this is a 1 hour chart, by the way. And then ideally is you want to move your stop loss from here now to 50 pips, right? And then see what's going to happen with the market. Is it still going to go up, still going to go down? But you know that whatever happens, you have already booked a 50 pip profit. You are in the money, and then it's a Wednesday today as well, so there's still time to catch one more trade tomorrow. It may be later on today or tomorrow or on Friday as well. So basically we are pattern trading. We are mainly focused on the market sentiment. We want the market to start moving, give us a direction, and then we jump into the market, right? Not, we don't want to catch the high because we'll never really know, is this the peak or is this the lowest? Market makers can do whatever they want at any point. But what you want now is when market makers start moving to one direction, you want to jump in that. Like, for example, we had last week, we had a new high on a Tuesday, market went down, crossed over the moving averages, and then market sentiment as well was going down. So we are going down, simple as that. Pattern trading. And then this would be a nice entry going down, or this would be a nice entry going down, a retest to the moving averages, a retest to the moving averages. Same thing we have here today, yesterday, sorry, retrace to the moving average, retrace to the moving average, and then we pull up. So this was a nice oil trade. It's up about 60 pips already from the entry, 70 pips, sorry, from the entry to here. So like I said, ideally is you move your stop loss to 50 pips or to 100 pips, and then let the market do whatever it's doing. But already, you know, you've booked a profit already, right? So I'll be back later on with the update of this video to let you know how far oil has gone, or once we get another trade, and then we'll have to close this one and then jump into another. Ideally, you want, whether you're scalping or you're swinging, you just want to book a profit, you know, in and out of the markets, anything can happen anytime. So we'll be focusing on that mostly, and then I'll be back later on with an update on the next trade as well, and I'll give you a summary on how this one ended as well. So thank you and have an awesome day.